Welcome. Today, we're digging into the real secret of every thriving garden, the soil beneath our feet. It's not just dirt, it's a living, breathing world, the foundation of all garden success. Understanding and nurturing this hidden ecosystem transforms gardening into a true partnership with nature. Let's get our hands dirty and discover how to build healthy, life-giving soil. Healthy soil is a vibrant ecosystem, not just a place for roots. It's made of mineral particles, sand, silt, clay, plus organic matter, water, air, and billions of microorganisms. Organic matter, like compost and decaying leaves, feeds soil life and holds moisture. Air and water pockets let roots breathe and drink. Microbes break down nutrients and fight disease, making soil fertile and resilient. Our job? Support this balance so plants can truly thrive. How do you know if your soil is healthy? Use your senses. Good soil crumbles in your hand, feels soft and smells earthy, thanks to active microbes. It absorbs water like a sponge, not pooling or draining too fast. Earthworms and other critters are a great sign, nature's proof of a thriving underground world. If your soil is compacted, lifeless, or smells sour, it's time for a change. Healthy soil is alive, fragrant, and teeming with visible and invisible life. Let's see how to get there. The single best way to improve any soil? Add organic matter. Compost, well-rotted manure, leaf mold, or mushroom compost all feed soil life and boost fertility. Spread a layer on your beds each year. No need to dig, just let worms do the work. This no-dig approach protects soil structure and builds long-term health. Even spent potting mix or green waste can help. Feed the soil, not just the plants, and your garden will flourish. Consistency is key. Make it a yearly habit. Quick fixes like synthetic fertilizers and pesticides can harm soil life. They disrupt the delicate web of microbes, fungi, and earthworms that keep soil healthy. Instead, use organic compost and natural pest controls, encourage beneficial insects, use barriers, and choose gentle sprays only when needed. Healthy soil needs time, not shortcuts. By working with nature, you build a resilient, self-sustaining garden. Treat your soil gently, and it will reward you. Never leave soil bare. Cover crops are your best friend. These green manures protect against erosion, suppress weeds, and add organic matter. Legumes like clover and vetch even fix nitrogen, enriching the soil for free. When it's time to plant, cut down the cover crop and let it decompose as mulch. This cycle keeps your soil fertile and protected year-round. It's a simple, powerful way to build long-term soil health. Crop rotation mimics nature's diversity and keeps soil healthy. Don't plant the same crop in the same spot each year. Rotate between families like legumes, brassicas, roots, and nightshades. This prevents nutrient depletion and breaks pest and disease cycles. A simple sketch of your beds helps you plan. Rotation balances soil demands and keeps your garden productive. It's an easy habit with big rewards. Compacted soil suffocates roots and blocks water. Aerate by gently loosening soil with a fork or broad fork. Don't turn it, just wiggle to open air channels. Do this every year or two, especially in high-traffic areas or heavy clay. Aeration lets roots breathe, improves drainage, and boosts plant health. It's a small effort for a big impact. Keep your soil open and alive. Soil isn't just a backdrop. It's your garden's greatest ally. Feed it, protect it, and keep it alive, and you'll see healthier plants and bigger harvests. This partnership with the earth is the heart of gardening. Start today. Your soil will thank you with abundance for years to come. Thanks for joining me. Now go nurture your soil.